If you add up all of the lion deaths, all the bear deaths, all the shark deaths, mosquitoes are much more dangerous than all of those deaths put together for animals that we all fear. Mosquitoes are the most dangerous animal in the world. My name is Phil Kaler, and I'm a professor of entomology at the University of Florida. I study mosquitoes, and actually I study mosquito control. We're trying to work in our laboratory to develop new methods of controlling mosquitoes.
I'm Lauren Barenkamp, and I'm here with the University of Florida's Urban Entomology Lab. Currently I'm working on an experiment involving mosquitoes and plants, just for the fact that mosquitoes like to land on plants after a certain amount of time because they get tired of flying.
We have cages of mosquitoes where we have hundreds of mosquitoes that we produce. Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, which are the primary vector of dengue, chikungunya, and Zika virus in Florida.
Essentially, we have 4 different treatments that we sprayed onto these plants. The objective was just to attract the mosquitoes to the plants and have them land on it and consume some of the pesticide or food bait and see how long it would take for them to die.
There are 2 phases that we can attack these mosquitoes. One is in the aquatic phase. The other one is when they are flying around. My name is Roberto Pereira. I'm a research scientist. We actually invented 2 different things here at the University of Florida that we have been working with. One is what we call the larvicidal chip. And these chips are supposed to be thrown in water. I can drop this in there, and the chip contains a larvicidal that will actually kill these mosquitoes. We came up with what we call an ovitrap. Ovitrap is a trap that has water inside that attracts the mosquito females to come in and deposit their eggs. And this trap will be treated internally with pesticides. This would kill any larvae that are developing inside that container. The other thing that we have here is actually we put a little trap here, and this trap actually has some blue lights there that you see. Actually, these are ultraviolet lights, and the mosquitoes are attracted to this light. It has a fan here that will suck the mosquitoes, and mosquitoes will eventually be trapped down in the lower part of this cage here, and this is another technology that we use to control mosquitoes.
We are also testing the longevity of each of these pesticides.
This is a very difficult mosquito to control. Mosquitoes kill about 750,000 people every year because of the diseases they transmit. We've seen some populations that have very high levels of resistance to insecticides.
If we can find some sort of formulation, a pesticide that lasts a long time and also results in the same positive mortality rates, then we could potentially reduce the risk of the spread of the Zika virus around the world.